Hello Annie,
Hi Zahid Ali Baggis.
today we are going to talk about a very important topic, how to master time management in daily life.
Great, two good lines. Let's make them flow together smoothly. For your presentation, open. Option 1, clear and confident natural. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, how to master time management in daily life. Option 2, slightly formal. Today we will discuss a very important topic, mastering time management in daily life. Option 3, warm and engaging. Today we're going to talk about something important, how to master time management in everyday life. Pick the tone you like. Want me to shorten it for a slide title? Breathe in, out.
Annie, let's start with the basic.
Nice closer. Let's smooth that into natural English for your presentation. Options, casual. And finally, let's start with the basics. Clear and formal. Finally, let's begin with the basics. Warm transition. To finish the intro, let's start with the basics. For a slide title, start with the basics or simply the basics. Which one fits your tone, casual or formal? Take a quick breath. Then pick.
Yet, true, many people often say, I don't have enough time.
Good phrase, you're close. Here are natural ways to say it in English, depending on tone. Casual, too many people often say, I don't have enough time. The neutral presentational. Many people say, I don't have enough time. The smoother concise. Too many people say they don't have enough time. Reflective, too many people